Okay. Anybody bring laptop? No. Okay. Nadine. You can look there. Vivia can change the state.
Morning, sir.
Afternoon, Iqbal, Sherlyn, Berfrida, Ramos, Jessica. We have completed project today, Yakib. Connect to internet, yeah, Nadine. Still remember the username, password? Oh, you don't know? Have in there login, Wi-Fi-nya. Oh yeah, teacher. T capital letter, ya. T, yeah, username teacher, but the T capital, ya. 2021. And okay. Okay, you are at home, students. Ramos, Jessica, and the other student, you are at home. If you use laptop or computer now, please connect to internet. Yeah. Later we want to try. We do our project. You don't read the PDF file this morning I have sent. About typing. Yeah, type project for the second semester. I make typing. Of course can. Of course can. Yeah. Okay, we are waiting for Gaby still joining. Okay, I want to share screen. Ready connect? What ini? Teacher. No. Let's add. What's Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi-nya tuh apa? Nah, itu yang Wi-Fi-nya kayak yang mana? Oh. Ada di mana? Okay, student, we continue. Tadi lagi ngonekkan komputer atau laptop. Username teacher. What T capital letter ya? T. 2021 password. Dan 2021 2021. Kan? Okay, students, we have project ya. Jadi computer project early ya, lebih cepat. You can see here, computer project and the learning objective. Atau student will learn about to improve typing skill using keyboard from typing.com. I hope you you can type with 10 fingers. Jadi tujuan utama ini adalah student able can type the letter or the word or the sentence with 10 fingers. Jadi kamu kalau ngetiknya cepat tapi menggunakan 11 jari, you know 11 jari. Ini 11 jari. Nah, 11. Jadi 11 jari itu kamu lebih bagus menggunakan 10 finger walaupun pelan, tapi kamu try and try and try again. Jadi dibiasakan gitu. Jangan menggunakan biasa gini. Ya. Jadi use 10 finger. Walaupun pelan tapi gunakan dengan yang benar. Ya. Oke. And no, 10 fingers ya 10. All fingers walk. Semua bergerak, kerja. Ya, not only 3. Later I show you what the function of little, ring, middle, and index finger and thumb finger. This is for space. Okay, students, and here please do your computer project in typing.com, and deadline is on Tuesday, 25 January 2022. Yeah, if you want to open your assignment on 2026 cannot again. Jadi ini kelas virtual. 25 the last January. 1 week I give to you. Yeah. No, not kotak. You have open typing you already login with username. You see in their assignment project. If you open now, kalau kamu buka sekarang typing, di situ langsung automatically secara otomatis muncul computer project for typing that you do. Coba nanti dikerjakan aja, nanti aja dikerjakan. But only 1 minute. Jadi kamu projectnya only 1 minute. Ya, nanti I explain to you how to do it. Okay, this the next. I believe every student have understand about this one. Yeah, I have sent to you. I have explained to you about this one before this time. Did you remember this one? Masih ingat ini tentang typing? The first learn about typing. I have sent to you this. Yeah. How to open your typing? Yeah, type in here. Typing. Yeah, open your browser. Type typing.com. Yeah, and then typing.com. Enter. After that, in there you can see teacher login, students login. Student login. You must choose this one. Don't choose this. Sign up now. Nah, kamu gunakan sign up now. Dan kamu gunakan email yang baru, username yang baru. Sia-sia. Tidak masuk ke kelas virtual kita. I don't see your assignment. Progress kamu nggak nampak. Nggak kelihatan, nggak nampak. Kenapa? You don't use this one, student login. Jadi, ya, for you, later at home, atau you are now in home, yang sekarang di rumah, if you open your typing using student login, and then you type this one, your username, this username from me, you can get from me. I have sent to you, I have shared to you your username. Who still don't know? Honesty? 18. 16. Okay, if you don't know, students, yeah, please chat Serjuan. I will resend again. Yeah. Okay. The next. Okay, this one. If you don't know, if you forget your username, you can see in here.
Sir, it's
Oh, this
for
one. This is for honesty. Sorry, this is not for honesty. This is for integrity. Oh ya, sorry. Itu integrity I have also ya. Saya juga punya integrity, honesty. Later I send to you. Tapi I believe you remember ya. You, Livia, you don't know. Yeah, later I send to you. Okay, the next after you type your username, click this one next. Ya, ini yang mungkin yang belum pernah sama sekali. And then type password. Password is, what is password? Honesty. Honesty. Yeah, all of you same honesty. Okay, and then the way to open your typing. Ya, ini klik next after you type the password. Next. And then, you see this one, on your laptop? Yeah. Yeah. If you open now, Nadine, have you open? You see this one also? Yeah. Before you don't see this one. Sebelumnya nggak pernah lihat ini kan, Nadine? Yeah. I already sent to honesty class have assignment, and this assignment is for your computer project second semester for midterm. Jadi midterm second semester projectnya ini. Not make Scratch or Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, or the other. Especially for this semester, second semester, midterm typing. Jadi projectnya typing. And you can see here, student, 25 January. This is the deadline. If you open 26, cannot again. Nggak bisa lagi. Yeah, I already make the last 25. Jadi kalau kamu buka 26, nggak bisa lagi. If you don't doing, berarti skor no have. Ya, jangan seperti yang lalu. Richie, I know Masa udah liburan baru kamu kirim? Okay, this is cannot, ya. Okay, after you type in here have letter have certificate. Ya, ada juga pemberitahuan speed. This is I already try. Speed 51 and accuracy, akurat itu ketepatan 96. Yeah, good question. After typing, I give you 5 times to repeat. Because this is only 1 minute, student. Karena ini cuma 1 menit kamu kerjakan proyek kamu. Tapi kan mungkin, maybe you belum puas. I'm not satisfied with my score. I want to repeat. Cannot or not? Can or not? Yeah, I give you 5 times to repeat your test. Jadi bisa kamu ulangi sampai 5 kali. Oke, 1 minute. Type. Oh, skornya masih kurang bagus. Kamu latihan dulu. After that, you type again. Type again. Oh, semakin meningkat. Tapi masih kurang lagi. Oh, I want to try again 3 times. Meningkat sedikit, tapi masih kurang. Latihan dulu. Latihannya kamu pakai yang box itu, yang di lesson kemarin. Kan bisa sambil latihan sambil ngerjain tugas-tugas sebelumnya yang masih terbengkalai, yang masih belum selesai. Latihan dulu di situ, baru pilih tes ini, type again sampai nilai kamu yang paling bagus. Don't worry students, don't worry, jangan takut. Sir Juan will take the highest score from the 5 times you type. Understand? Jadi you type until 5 times, ya 5 kali. Maybe the second or the third that is the highest, and the last that is lowest. Sir Juan will take the highest score from there. Understand? You are at home, understand? Ramos, Belprida?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ya, jadi I think for this second semester midterm, ya, this is easy project because only 1 minute, hanya 1 menit aja. But I hope you please give the best because you can before do your project you can practice, ya, bisa praktek dulu atau try di typing yang lesson, ya. Jadi kamu bisa latihan di situ. Okay, how to repeat it? So how to repeat? Bagaimana mengulanginya? You can go back, ya. Yue and Nadine or you at home. Itu on your computer kan computer project. If you click start, kamu klik start itu automatically langsung main. Jangan ditunda-tunda karena dihitung 1 menit langsung close. After that, if you want to open again, you open your typing, you cannot see that. You cannot see it again. Kamu nggak akan lihat lagi yang itu, yang ini tadi. Kamu nggak akan lihat ini lagi. So, how the way to repeat? Ya kan? Itu kan the question. Itu pertanyaan, ya. How the way to repeat, sir? Okay. To repeat it, you can go back. This one. Go back. Atau bisa get out, keluar, close dulu. You can close, baru open typing again. Iya, langsung masuk. Open again, and then use your username and password, masuk, dan you choose this one. What is this? Can you see this? Test. Don't use lesson. Don't click lesson, but use test. Yeah. After you click that test, you can see this one. Have here. 1 minute test. Yeah, this is you can do 4 times. You can click start. After finish 1 minute, you can log in. You can click again this one test. You can start again. Jadi until 5 times. Okay, so in here, students, you can click here. You can repeat in here until 4 times. Why 4 times? Kenapa 4 kali di sini, Kit? Why? Karena before this time you already type 1. Udah mengerti sekali tadi yang pertama di sini kan ada Nadine, ya itu kamu start itu udah terhitung sekali. So in here you can start here 4 times more. Jadi 4 kali lagi di sini. Yang pertama tadi sudah di awal. Later serjuan, ya Rafael. Oh berarti kita buka kita teman boleh si dalam di sini terus kalau bagus sudah diterima perkara. Yes. Tapi Rafael, the first time, later you say like UA, di situ langsung automatically ada muncul computer project. Later, if already done that one, udah dikerjakan yang itu, untuk the second time udah nggak muncul lagi. So, how to repeat? Bagaimana cara mengulanginya? Yang dari sini, kamu go back atau kamu keluar aja, get out, pause. Kamu masuk lagi typing.com, masuk seperti biasa. After login, kamu pilih yang this, no lesson tapi test, ya, test this one. After you click test, head here this one. This one you can type 4 times more. Okay. Already finished. I give only 5 times, ya. Later I have history, your history. Nanti kelihatan history kamu di teacher login. And in there I will take the highest score. Dan saya akan mengambil nilai yang tertinggi di antara yang 5 tadi. Ya. Oke, like this one. This is the example. Serjuan can. Oke, Serjuan can see your typing ya. Ini ada sini. Can see your typing history. I will take the highest score from your typing. Ya. Example this one. January 18, 2022. 11:53 jam sekian. You speed 53 and accuracy 98. And the same day but different clock ya, times. Ini yang 44. Speednya 51 and the accuracy is 66. Ya, 96. Sorry. So I take which one? The highest. Ya, don't worry, nggak usah takut. Jadi Serjuan will take the highest from them until 5 times. This is twice ya, 2 kali. Oke. Oke, this is I will give score for you. Ini interval. If you get speed, do you know speed? Typing. Ya, speed typingnya kecepatannya tadi this one. Ini speednya gitu. Speed. Ini accuracy. Ya. Speed. If you get speed 40 until 50. Jadi di antara itu. Get 40, 41 until 50 atau di atasnya. Dot. Very good. Itu lebih bagus lagi. Kalau sampai 60. Wow. Very good. But you get 40 until 50 aja, kid. Dan akurasi kecepatannya you get 91 until 100, you will get point in here, intervalnya di antara sini. And you know, student, 91 until 100 itu kalau dapat nilai di antara itu, predikatnya sudah A. No, A di sini A. Jadi kalau 91 until 100 itu sudah dapat nilai A. But you speed, kalau speed kamu 30 until 39 dan akurasinya 81 until 90, you will get here. Oh yeah, you are first.
How if sir the accuracy 100 but the speed is 30?
Okay, wait ya. Okay, Wilfrida. Okay, Wilfrida, can you repeat?
If the speed is 30 and the accuracy is 100, sir, what score do I get?
Is if speed 40.
30.
If speed 40, accuracy?
The speed 30 until 39, the accuracy 100.
Oh, no. No get ya, nggak ada nilai. Jadi di sini Kit, you must get this one. Jadi speed and accuracy itu harus sama. Harus sesuai dengan di sini. If you get 30 atau 35 speednya, akurasinya 100. Nggak mungkin. Ya mungkin, tapi berarti dia pelan-pelan ngetiknya. Apa? Dia akurasinya 100. Benar semua. Nggak ada salah pengetikannya. Tapi dia lambat-lambat. Nah, itu nggak bisa juga, nggak bagus. Jadi kita kalau typing itu speed dan akurasi harus sama. Balance. Iya, tepat dan cepat. Cepat, tepat. So, like this. If like that, coba kalau ada kasus seperti itu. Sir, I get 35 speed. I get 98 akurasi. Ya kan? 98. Berarti kamu tetap get di sini. Di predikat B. Predikat B. Sir, I get speed 80. Contohnya speednya dia tinggi, 80. Tapi akurasinya 50. Berarti kan banyak salah. Dia cepat ketik dua. Tapi banyak salah. Oh, nggak bisa juga, Kit. Nggak bisa dia dapat A. Dia speednya tinggi tapi akurasinya rendah. No. Jadi harus tepat dan cepat. Cepat, tepat. Jadi dia harus diantara ini, Kit. Diantara ini harus dua-dua harus dapat di sini. If you get here high, this is no, ya sama juga. Dia harus tetap sama-sama. Jadi kasusnya seperti itu ya, Brida. If you get the example 35 in here speed, in here you get 100. Tetap nilai kamu di antara ini, interval di sini. Oke, Nadine, just now you want to ask. Oh, same. Rafael. Same. Oke, bagus. Understand ya, about penilaian ini ya. Jadi cepat. Dua-dua dinilai. Jangan cepatnya aja dinilai, cepatnya tidak, dan tidak juga cepatnya aja dinilai, speednya tidak. Nah, itu nggak bisa. Typing itu harus dua-dua. Oke, sir, I don't have computer, sir. I don't have laptop. My laptop broken, sir. My laptop nge-lag. My laptop hang, sir. My laptop blue screen, sir. My laptop macam-macam. Ya. Tapi sir, ya I want to tell you, Sir Juan prefer lebih senang you do your project with computer or laptop. But if you cannot, ya apa boleh buat? Kita sediakan juga untuk project without computer. You draw this one. Ya ini penting juga, Kid. If you want to typing 10 finger, if you want to know the key atau the step how to type with 10 finger, you must memorize this one. When we are in 6 or 5 grade with Miss Jacinta. Yes. Oh yeah, I know. You already ever try this one, so you can type now with 10 finger. Okay, but still maybe still slow ya, masih lambat ya. Ya, you try. It is okay. Walaupun pelan-pelan, tapi key-nya ini harus tepat. Fungsikanlah little finger, ring, middle, and index finger. What? Itu. Look at this one. Coba perhatikan dikit. Letter, the key F and Z. Inilah kunci rahasianya. Coba Yue and Nadine. You can see your key F and Z. F that ada perbedaan dengan key yang lain. Only F and G. This is, inilah kunci. So, index finger, Kid, you put in there. Setelah kemana dia berlari-lari, your finger, kembali ke sana, back. You know, remember, oh, this is F and G, F and G, F and G. And you must remember, beside right side and the left side. Kamu hafal yang sebelah kanan dan kiri. So students, you can type without seeing the keyboard. Kamu bisa mengetik tanpa lihat keyboard, because you already know that. No, all pinjol, look at that. Semua harus bergerak, have the function, all pinjols. Ya. Okay, students. So if you do your project without computer, without laptop, you can choose this one. You can draw that. Draw the hand and make the name, little, ring, middle, index, finger, and put that the key or the letter. Yeah, but Serjuan hope every student can do your project with laptop, with computer. Just for information, sir, I have a look of people typing with oh, oh. You ever see type also? Typing also is good. Wow. Mungkin cacat dari lahir ya, nggak ada tangan. Oke, jadi kalau melihat mengetik pakai kaki, wow, I don't know how caranya gimana itu. Karena kita lihat mungkin keyboardnya same with this, atau keyboard berbeda? Same. Oh, karena kalau kaki melihat di kita letakkan di keyboard, ini kan jarang-jarang can like this. Kalau kaki mana bisa begini darah-darah. Nah. Oke, ya itulah mungkin kelebihan orang yang mempunyai kekurangan pasti punya kelebihan. Ya, itu pelajarannya buat kita. Okay, student, we still have time. Ya, this one, ya, like this. I want to show you. This is, ya, di sini Serjuan can see who have done. Siapa yang sudah mengerjakan? Ya, assignment for integrity. Tadi di integrity already. This is honesty. Di honesty class. Ya, this one. Ya, still. Oh, this is not honesty ya. Ya, harga Delfrida. Wow, no. Oh, Samuel Manurung, you have done Samuel. Samuel Manurung. Let's see. Mari kita perhatikan. How many times? Sudah berapa kali dia mengetik? Sam. Ya, look at. Typing test. I can see. Ya, saya lihat. Oh. Already 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, Samuel. Okay, Samuel, you can see here. Where is Samuel? Can you respond, Samuel? Ada Samuel? Oh, Samuel join ya? Okay, look at student. Later you also, I can see your progress also ya. Okay, in here, jamnya berbeda, tanggal yang sama. Ya, in here. Speed, look at 30, the highest 33 and accuracy 96. So Samuel will get nilainya masih di level D ya. Iya. Samuel, you have once more, sekali lagi kesempatan kamu untuk bisa meningkatkan ini. Jadi if you get speed 40, kalau akurasinya semua sudah bagus, tapi speed aja yang kurang cepat sedikit sampai 40, you will get A. Kamu akan mendapatkan predikat A. Ya, ini untuk typing ya, kid. Okay, I want to show you how if you how if I as the student. Ya, saya akan coba sebagai student dulu. Student login. Ya, this one. Student login ya. I use honesty 30. Honesty 30 no one ya. Use this username. Honesty 30. Ya, coba saya try. Ya, look at this. Automatically ya, secara ini ya. Automatically dia akan muncul seperti ini. Ya, start. Kita start. Kita start, student. Nah, ini 1 minute aja ya, 1 menit aja ya. Dia langsung otomatis nutup. Oh, 64. Kayaknya 64. Oke. Ya. That if you get like that, you get A ya. Jadi dapat nilai A. Oke. Students, you can this screenshot, you can give to me atau nggak dikasih pun saya bisa lihat juga. Oke.
Sir.
Ya. Who's that? Frida, you want to ask? Devta, have question? Okay, no question. Yeah. So I want to repeat. So how? Yeah, this one. Go back. Go back. Yeah. Kembali. And then choose test. Ini test. Don't listen. Test. In here you can repeat. Start test again. Start. Jadi kita mulai lagi. Kita ulangi lagi. But the berbeda ya. Berbeda. Off. Okay, 1 minute more. Okay, students, if you have question about our project, let me know. In this class, understand how to repeat? Can ya? Okay. Ya. Oh. Using phone nggak ten finger lagi dia kan? Pasti gini kan? But I believe you can get the low score. Kenapa? Karena dia pasti pelan cara. Okay, try lah, up to you. Okay, Girido, you have question? Girgi, please. We have 1 minute more. No. You have question? Ya?
Repeatnya gimana?
Oh, Girgi. Later I send the record Zoom because time is over. Ini dah nanti close. Later I send to you. Atau masih bisa. Nanti kalau tertutup otomatis tertutup ya. Oke, ini watch this one. Cara repeatnya. Go back atau ya. Don't use this one lesson. Don't use lesson, tapi choose test.